Hello guys, today I will be introducing my new beginner project called Pylanced Adventures. This is based on a project um, from another video a creator has made. So let's start this up. Then I've added sound effects too, so you can see there is sound effects for coins and yeah. So there are moving platforms based on an alien theme. So it is a futuristic alien theme. I've worked on it for a while, and I've added enemies, game over, and much more. So as you can see, that I've added score counter, moving platforms, exit, and etc. And now let's open up the level editor, and you have to press up and down arrow keys to change the level. Actually, this is a source code from a tutorial, so I will be linking that and my project too in the description. So now let me show you how to edit the level. First you have to click on any block, air block and grass block and anything. So this is a very educational project, and I hope you like the video. Thank you.